YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, today we are going to do the reading for the month of March 2021. We have 3 piles in front of you over here. This is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. Take a glance at the images or the colors of the cards and see which one you are most drawn to. You may even check in the comment box below the timestamps if you wish to choose from the timestamps. So dear friends, I think you must have made your choices by now. So for now I'm keeping the pile number 3 aside. Pile number 2 also will keep it aside for the time being. And we're going to start our reading with pile number 1. So this is pile number 1, and everyone who has chosen pile number 1, we are going to see a detailed reading for you for the month of March 2021, your overall energy and the guidance messages for every week of March 2021 for you. Dear friends, your first card is that of the moon. This is your overall energy. Another card as your overall energy is that of the justice. Very strong month for you. Month of March 2021 is not going to be a month of minor energies. It is a month wherein you are going to balance your subconscious mind and your conscious mind. Justice, karmatic rewards are going to come to you. All that was there which was hidden from you, all that was the confusion ever in your life, all that was messy, all that was secretive, all that was negative in your mind or around you is now going to be cleansed, and you are going to be given the rewards of your good work of this life or past many lives. This is a month wherein you are going to be highly intuitive. This is a month wherein there can be justice coming for some of my friends through the court of law. Certain documents that you sign in the court of law brings justice for you. This is a month where certain secrets are going to be revealed to you, which will help you balance your relationships. Moon energy is going to be very evident, and if you take our moon energy healings, most powerful healings with the moon energy for all of your month of March, you are going to open up all these secrets that were there in your life and bring balance into your mind, body and soul. I also feel that this is the month wherein you are going to work on your shadow side. Your shadow side, dear angel, is that side of, dear friends, is that side of you which is only known to you. Your own personal negativities. I feel that you, while taking these moon healings, you will be able to release all the negative blockages from your own body, and thereafter you are going to be able to balance your mind, body and soul. So as your inside world aligns, your outside world starts to manifest things for you. It is a very major month of transformation and karmatic rewards for you. You are going to release all the negative blockages and emotions that were held in your body, like emotions of insecurities, fears, jealousy, any part of you which you know yourself was not aligned with divine is now going to be aligned. Zodiac signs specifically of Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Capricorn can be evident for you in this month. Here we have a card, dear friends, which says teardrops, great personal sorrow. Yes, I feel that while taking these healings of the moon energies, or might be you have been taking these healings, and now in this month you are going to release a lot of blockages, and those blockages are going to be released via tears, because your heart is going to get cleansed, your third eye chakra is going to get cleansed, and you are going to be releasing negative thought patterns and sadness from your body. For some of you, there can be a situation in your past which you are going to leave behind in this month, which says great personal sorrow, which was or a certain secretive relationship or a certain part of your life which was not meant to be carried further with you, and you might drop some tears and decide to leave that relationship or that situation in the month of March 2021. Next, dear friends, they say an emotionally secured, loving family is important to you. I feel that there can be a certain situation wherein there was an imbalance in a family atmosphere for some of you, and now in the month of March 2021, you're going to build, for some of you, it can be actually building a home or a family. A childbirth can be evident, and for the rest of you, you're coming out of a negative cycle wherein some of you might even go through the divorce cases and decide to build in a family with some other new people coming into your life, bringing positive energies towards you. I see that your third eye chakra, your throat chakra, your heart chakra, and root chakra are healing in this month. So it is a very, very beautiful, blissful month of releasing negativity and bringing balance into your body. So let us move into the first week of March 2021, the week that is commencing from the 1st of March 2021 until the 7th to 10th of March 2021, and your energies for this month for this week are that of the Magician. Magician, dear friends, tells me that there is something inside of you which has changed, miraculously, which has made you a great manifester right from the beginning of the first week of March 2021, and we see magic manifesting in your life from the first week itself. This card tells me that either a person who is of the zodiac sign of Aquarius is very evident for you, or you yourself are the zodiac sign and you are feeling absolutely in your power, in your control. You feel that you have all the tools to manifest the best of relationships for you, best of profession, careers, health, spirituality for you. The divine is very well connected with you in the first week of March 2021, and let us see what is coming towards you. They say, camel, persevere and you will overcome problems. So in the first week we see that you have been persevering very well. You have been doing your task, you have been giving in a lot, whether it was in regard to relationships or whether it was in regard to your work area or your health. You have been consistent in putting your efforts, and in the first week, that is the week from 1st to 7th of March 2021, you are going to feel very powerful. It is a period of manifestation of great things in your life, and there is a card over here which says pin new job career. For many of you, there is going to be an opportunity of manifestation of a big time career or a new job for you, which you will happen to manifest for you because you have been persevering through hard times. You have been putting your efforts, you have already sown your seeds. Very blissful time, and this is the third major arcana that we see for you in the first week of March itself. It is a very big month of transformation. It is a very big month of blessings, karmic rewards coming for you. Moving on to the second week of March 2021, let us see, dear friends, the card for the second week of March, that is the week which is commencing from 7th of March until the 14th of March 2021. We see the energies of the Four of Rods for you. Four of Rods or Four of Wands, dear friends, is a card of some kind of a celebration. It is a card of your 11/11 moment. It is a card of your manifestation of your happiness. For many of my friends, I feel that they have somehow managed to get an opportunity to work from home or to start their profession or business which they always wanted to do from their home. For other of my friends, I feel that even if they are going to their offices, their businesses or their professional places, they are feeling at home. There is a very conducive environment over there. For some of my other friends, I feel that there is going to be a fixation of marriage, like a roka or an engagement happening for them if they were seeking some kind of a commitment. For some of my other friends, I feel that this is a week of some kind of a celebration. Either you're celebrating your anniversaries or birthdays, or there is an inauguration of a home. For some people who have purchased home, they can be given the keys to their home, and so they are feeling very abundant. For some of my other friends, I feel that you are doing some kind of decoration in your home, might be in your garden. It is a very beautiful, blissful period. Might be you are meeting your friends and family, or there is a good news that you have to share with your friends and family. Very celebratory time for you in the second week of March 2021. And we have a key over here, and they say successful outcome to your problems. So dear friends, if you were going through some problems and you were shedding tears, you were releasing the negative aspects in your life, you get the key to your new home, or you get the key to your problems, a manifestation of a job or a career for you, or manifestation of a good relationship. Some kind of a key is evident in the week of second week. This is a key to the lock that opens your way toward wisdom, knowledge, insight, love, peace, harmony, health, wealth, prosperity. This is even the first and the second week, I feel that your health is also very good. So let us see here. Over here in the second week, there is going to be a dealing with a dark man, dealing or relationship with a man with dark complexion or hair. This you know better, dear friends, who this man can be. It is possible that the man has long hair, or might be dark hair or dark complexion. There is going to be some kind of a dealing with this man. It is also possible that this is a person who gives you the solution to your problems. And then there is another card, dear friends, which says roster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. So there is a warning in the second week that there is going to be an interaction with an arrogant, boastful person with whom you should not cross. This arrogant, boastful person, this can be an egoistic person. Might be this man is an egoistic person, but there is a warning coming to you to stay away from this person and not get into argumentations with this person. Otherwise, it is a very blissful time for you. Moving on to the third week, dear friends, we have two cards for the third week, dear friends. We have the card of the Queen of Rods along with the card of the Page of Cups. As we move into the third week, dear friends, the third week that commences from 14th or 15th of February, moving into 21st, 22nd, 23rd of, first week that commences from 14th, 15th of March 2021, moving into the 21st, 22nd, 23rd of March 2021. I feel that zodiac signs of Libra, Leo, Gemini, Sagittarius, Aries, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio are going to be evident in this week. I feel that there is a person who can be an agent or a middle person who helps you in the manifestations of your desire in this week. For some of my friends who are looking for love and relationships, I feel that there is a person on whom you can have a crush in this week, who can be a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person. This is a week, dear friends, wherein you can be very, very creative. Lot of creativity, lot of passion in this week. I see your sacral chakra healing, your root chakra healing, and your heart chakra healing. You are playing with your inner child in this week. For some of my friends, a manifestation of a child, conception of a child can happen in the third week, wherein I see a spiritual healer or a doctor, some kind of a healer who is coming into your life, who is helping you in the manifestation of this childbirth. You yourself are feeling very charismatic, very beautiful, very elegant, very attractive, very handsome in this week, and I see that there are hale and hearty times around you in this week. So enjoy yourself, do a lot of creative activities. I see you being very passionate, doing all of your work, can be at home or in your office area, with a lot of passion and energy, enthusiasm, enjoying yourself in this week. As well, I feel that for some of my friends, there can be a woman who is evident in this week, who can be your secret love interest, something of the sorts. Then they say, we have a card which says hidden secrets can harm you. Yes, so for some of my friends, I feel that you are being attracted, or you are being infatuated towards a person who can be a third party situation for you. So be careful in this kind of a scenario. If you are already married or in a committed relationship, be careful of these flinches that you are getting carried away with. Then there is another card, dear friends, which they say a period of ill health, depression. So for some of my friends who have been going through a period of ill health, as in blockages in their heart chakra, sacral chakra, I feel that you're connecting with a spiritual healer, or might be with a doctor or a professional who is helping you come out of this period of depression. Might be a psychiatrist also who is helping your child, or maybe you coming out of this period of depression or ill health. I feel that because of these big manifestations happening in your life, you are finally releasing your shadow side, you're releasing your past, and coming out of this depressive ill period in the third week. Moving on to the fourth week, we see the energy of the King of Pentacles from the week that commenced from 23rd of March 2021 until the end, that is the 31st of March 2021. The energies of King of Pentacles are very, very stable energies, very grounded energies. Now I feel that your root chakra and sacral chakra are absolutely healed by the end of the month, and now you you are investing in properties, you are investing somewhere, and you're making some kind of investing in relationships which are very grounded, which are very practical, and people who are loyal, who are faithful towards you are coming into your life. Manifesting love and marriages into your life is possible. Manifesting big time opportunities of career and business for some people. Then there is a card over here, dear friends, which says rose, romance is in the air. This person, King of Pentacles, can be a very stable person who can be a zodiac sign of Capricorn, Taurus, or Cancer, or Virgo, Libra, Piscean, Scorpio as well, who brings an offer of love, marriage and stability towards you. And yes, dear friends, for many of you, love is manifesting into your life. Yes, in the last week, love and marriage, romance is manifesting into many of my friends' lives, and this is a stable love and romance that is coming into your life from a very grounded person. So very, very beautiful time frame for you, as I feel that you will eventually come out of, release the blockages in your body, heal your heart chakra, your root chakra, and manifest stability into your life. So in the last week, you are going to feel very stable. You are going to perform all your tasks very well. There is going to be grounded energy. You are of course not going to feel scattered like you used to feel before. There are going to be no secrets in your life now. All the secrets have been revealed, and your mind, body and soul are at peace. Many opportunities of financial manifestations and manifestation of good health and manifestation of stability, security are going to come towards you in the last week of March 2021. Very, very blissful time frame for you. So we have a message. Now we are going to see your guidance messages, and we have a guidance message which says surrender to spirit. Over here, dear friends, while you're releasing and working on your shadow aspects, the spirit is asking you to surrender completely to the plan of the high vibrational beings, your spirits, your God, your high vibrational beings, and see the miracles that manifest into your life thereafter. So they say, once you've done everything you can to achieve a goal, turn the situation over to the divine. Let spirit work its magic for you. Yes, so dear friends, I feel that you have been persevering through, and now is the time when the spirit is asking you to absolutely surrender your hard work to the spirit, and they are going to manifest miracles into your life in the month of March 2021. There is another card over here, dear friends, where they say surrender your fear of intimacy. I feel that some of you have this fear of intimacy, or some kind of a shyness that you hold within your chakras with regard to your body. Might be some of you have been victims of body shaming in past, and the spirit over here says that you surrendered your fear of intimacy, because the persons who love you, might be in past you have gone through experiences where there were negative, toxic, narcissist people with whom you had relationships, and who brought some kind of negative, who blocked some kind of negativity in your chakras, who made you feel less of yourself. But now you are, as you heal your past, you come out, balance your chakras and bodies, and now you are ready for intimacies in your relationship. And so you need to surrender your fear of intimacy, and they say you are ready to let love in. Yes, love, you are healing your chakras, and now is the time for you to let love in. Compassionately identify and begin to release any pattern that stop you from opening your heart. Yes, do not be judgmental about yourself, and release that what is holding you back from from opening yourself towards the divine love of the universe, to the divine love of the community, and to the divine love of your soulmates. And over here we have a card of soulmate, and this card tells me that your root chakra is now healed. You are out of your insecurities, and so now in the month of March 2021, you are going to attract soulmate connections towards yourself. This for some people can be the connections of marriage or settlement, a real soulmate connection as in the form of a partner. For some other people it can be calling in your soul family for your work areas. Like if you are a spiritual person, you can attract like-minded people, or might be healing the relationships in your family, in your workplace. So your root chakra is completely healed and balanced in the month of March 2021, and so you are now bringing stability and security into your inside body and outside world. They say leave a stressful situation behind. So yes, if there was a stressful situation in your life, I see that the guidance is coming for you to move out of that situation towards healing. So they say that this is going to happen with healings only, dear friends. If you will take healings from my YouTube channels, you are going to be able to release the blockages and the stresses from your life. So this is a card from Archangel Raphael, and the prayer over here says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for giving me the courage and willingness to take good care of myself, including surrounding myself with healthy relationships and positive situations. This is very beautiful, dear friends. Then we have the card of Three of Roses over here, which says loving elements, and we see a child here. For some of my friends, definitely there is a manifestation of childbirth happening, and congratulations to you. For other of my friends, this card is an indication that you are very well connected to the spiritual world, to the spiritual realm, as well to the energy of the water, earth, and the air and the skies. And this energy, the balance that you're getting from all of the elements of the universe, is bringing a special magical kind of manifestations into your life. So it is like, connecting very well with nature, connecting with the divine, and making your body, your aura very strong to magically attract all the abundance towards you in the month of March 2021, dear friends. Beautiful. And another card of Cupid. So definitely for most of my friends who are checking out pile number 1, love is coming into your life big time. Love from your family, your friends, your soulmates, your soul family, your lovers. Love is manifesting. Your heart chakra is opening again to welcome soulmate connections into your life. And so they say, Cupid, we send great waves of love into your heart and mind, and awakening your love for life itself. So first of all, you are going to begin to give yourself love. Self-love is the first way to invite love into your life. First, you give love to yourself. You start giving respect, love to yourself, and build on yourself. And with these vibrations, you attract right frame of people toward you. So they say, we send great waves of love into your heart and mind, awakening your love for life itself. Your clear decision to accept and enjoy romance has triggered this reawakening. Allow yourself to spontaneously celebrate love in all of its glorious aspects. What more could we have asked for, dear friends? New jobs manifesting for some of my friends, love partnerships, soulmate connections manifesting for others, childbirth for some of my friends, and good healing, stable body, mind, and soul for others. Emotional healing. Yes, dear friends, as your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new blessings and love again here. So, you have been somehow able to heal yourself out of your heartbreaks of past, and so your heart, mind and soul is opening to new experiences. Beautiful blissful card of honeymoon from the romance angels here. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So I feel for many of my friends it is actually manifestation of their marriage and honeymoon. For some of my friends who are already married, it is possible that you take a break, go for some kind of a pleasure time with your partner. And for some of my other friends, it is an indication that a very blissful time is ahead of you, wherein you can enjoy your togetherness with your loved ones, with your partner, and you surrender your fear of intimacy while you are going for a honeymoon with your loved one. So I wish you all the best, dear friends. This is a very, very blissful month for you. Lots of love and best wishes to all of my friends who have chosen pile number 1. And I also request you to like my channel, to subscribe to this channel, share this video if you could resonate with this video, and help us grow. If you resonate with our content, if you like the way we read the cards for you. And I also suggest that you come back to these readings week after another to again get your guidance for every week. Wishing you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. I wish all your wishes come true in the month of March 2021, which seems to be a very, very blissful month for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. This is pile number 2, and everyone who has chosen pile number 2, now we are going to see the reading for you for the month of March 2021. What is going to be your overall energy for the month of March 2021, as well your detailed reading for each week of March 2021. Let's see, dear friends. The first card for your overall energy of March 2021 is that of the Hanged Man. Alongside we have the card of the Two of Pentacles. Dear friends, a combination of these two cards is very, very positive for me. I see that you people have been very patient in past. You have been doing your work. You have been persevering through all of the situations very well. I feel that this is my category of friends who have been juggling many tasks at the same time, multitasking in their offices, or might be multitasking at their home with their kids, or balancing between their office life and their home life as well. This is a category of my friends who have been even making investments, taking money from one institution and investing into another. Might be there is some kind of a money juggling also happening, and some category of my friends are the ones who have been traveling from one state to another state, or one country to another country. But in during this whole process which is taking place in the month of March 2021 for you, I feel that you are being very, very patient, you are being very cool-headed, and you are being very, very calm and enlightened. Somewhere I feel that, you have been able to heal your chakras in such a way, balance your chakras in such a way that now you are easily adapting the changes around yourself with a lot of flexibility. You are being able to see your life, the life of other people around you, and the situations around you from another perspective. Before, you had a very shallow mindset wherein you were not flexible enough to accept people, places, and situations into your life which were not as per your restricted mindset. But might be some of you went through some kind of healings. Either you literally took yoga classes and you did this kind of an asan. This asan, what is this asan called? Shirsh asan, wherein this is called a headstand. Either you literally did headstand, and as a result you were able to release the negative blockages that were there in your head as your negative thinking patterns, and so you opened yourself to the wider perspective of life. Or some of you have been stuck in certain situations from so long that you have now accepted that being flexible is the only way how you are going to be able to adapt to the changes that are coming into your life now. So in the month of March 2021, I personally recommend many of my friends to opt for yoga, meditations, healings. Definitely do some kind of physical activity which helps you become more flexible. As in this month, I see that you are going to be juggling many tasks. I feel that in doing so, you are going to be absolutely in peace and harmony. That's the best part of juggling so many tasks. But you are becoming a master in doing so, like jack of all. But you are becoming master because you are performing your meditations, your yoga, you are taking your isolation time in the morning, you are preparing yourself for the day's tasks, that there are so many tasks that you have to perform in the day, and so you are paying attention to your mind, body and soul, and preparing yourself, your health. Yes. For some of my friends, definitely, who had health issues like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder, wherein their mind makes some kind of stories, you are being recommended to do some kind of meditation practices or yoga to bring balance into your mind, body and soul. So dear friends, here we have a card which says, dog far away, a distant friend is thinking of you. So might be in the month of March you travel to a distance to meet a friend, or might be they come and meet you, or there is a phone call, some kind of communication with the person who is staying at a distance, or some kind of a good news can come to you from a friend or a family member. Then over here, dear friends, there's a card which says eagle triumph over troubles, obstacles. Wow, dear friends, yes. So I feel this is a month wherein, and I am burping right now. I am burping, which means I am releasing some of your blockages. So I feel you have been able to release some of your blockages from your inside body, and so in the month of March you will be able to gain victory over your troubles and obstacles, because you have cleansed your chakras and energies and you are balancing your body now. There can be a news which is a victorious news for you. It can also come from a far off person. Beautiful, dear friends. There is another card over here which says, well, family wishes come true. Wow. It is a big time. It's a month of big time manifestations for you, dear friends. A certain family wish is coming true for you. Beautiful. Wonderful. So let us move to the first week of March, the week that is commencing from 1st of March until the 7th of March 2021, and I see two cards for you. There is a card of Two of Swords over here and another card of the Eight of Rods. So a combination of these two cards tells me, dear friends, that there was a situation in your life where there was some kind of a communication was held back in a certain situation in your life. Either you were not communicating with the person or on a situation, or they were not having any kind of communication with you for a certain clarity. You were getting your intuitions, you were getting your hints about this relationship, but no one, either you or them, were not speaking. And in the first week itself, there is going to be some kind of a communication coming towards you. Now, in a relationship, this can also be an email, a phone call, or some kind of a message coming from the person that you were seeking some kind of a communication from. For a work scenario, it is possible that you had given an interview in a certain place, or a person around you had given an interview, but they were holding on, they were waiting for the confirmation, the news from the company or the business or the profession to come to them. And in the first week, we see that this communication happens. And I personally feel that this communication which is going to happen might be that, you feel that you want to take time and think about it, whether you should be pursuing this person or not, or this company or not. But I feel that, this communication is going to be a wheel of fortune, kind of a turnaround of events are going to begin for you after this communication. It is also possible that some of you had an invitation, or some of you had an opportunity to travel overseas or to move to another state or a country, but you were indecisive on this, whether you should be moving to another job or another state or another country for expansion. And in this week, there is some kind of a communication which occurs wherein you are being compelled to make a decision. Yes. Another thing again over here, I feel that if there is a person who is suffering from some kind of a problem in their mind, might be a bipolar disorder, or might be schizophrenia or depression, or some kind of a disorder of their nervous system, their mind, their spine, some kind of like that, there is going to be some healing coming to them. Either they visit a doctor, or a healer gives them some kind of a healing and brings them out of this kind of a situation. Okay, let's see. So in this week, dear friends, they say empty chair, someone is leaving your life. So in this week, there can be either somebody moving from away from you. There is definitely travel indicated in this week. It is possible that somebody is moving out of your home in this week. This can be temporary also. It is possible that your partner is deciding to take a job in another state or a country. For some of very few category of my friends, it is possible that if there was somebody suffering some kind of an ailment, they happened to, and they were sitting on an authoritative chair, it is possible that they there is some kind of an ending in a family, and they are living your life. And for some of my other friends, it is a situation wherein they were in two minds, whether they should be hanging on with a joint family scenario, or they should be moving away, parting away from this joint family scenario and have a home of their own or something like that. But they were in two minds whether they should opt for this or not. But in the second week, some kind of a communication happens wherein you feel that yes, we need to make a decision now. And so you decide to move away from this joint family setup into a nuclear family setup. Then there is a card over here, dear friends, which says sorrow over a loss. For some of my friends, definitely there can be some kind of a news which comes to you, which can bring some initial sorrow also. Sorrowful news in the first week. Because of, might be for some of my friends, there is an actual death or a loss, a news of a person who is having their heavenly abode. So that kind of a news can come. For some of my other friends, while making this decision of moving from one place to another, or one job to another, or one relationship to another relationship, there can be a scenario wherein they finally decide that they want to move away from this certain partner who is not responding in the similar manner as how you are communicating with them. And so you might go through some kind of a pain, but you finally decide to move on from them. So moving on to the second week of March 2021, we see the energies of the card of the Two of Cups. The card of Two of Cups tells me, dear friends, that the second week energies are very, very beautiful energies for you. You are divinely connected with your soul family. You are enjoying good time with your partners, with your lovers, with your kids, with your family, your soul family. You are having a connection with the divine in the second week. So it's a very blissful period for all of my friends. The second week of March 2021. For some of my friends, this is a manifestation of a twin flame relationship or a soulmate partnership. Somebody is coming to you with an offer of love, and you have a similar offer of love to give to them. And so this is a soulmate connection that is manifesting for you. For some of my other friends who were looking for job, business and career opportunities, this is an offer of some kind of a manifestation in your career, which is coming to you from like-minded people. The people who are coming towards you with this offer or partnership are of the similar interest with you, and so you feel aligned with them. This is very beautiful energy, dear friends. A lot of healing is happening. Divine is giving you healing in the second week of March. The month of November is very evident over here. It is possible that something happened in the month of November 2020 for you, which is manifesting now, or might be this soul relationship or a soul partnership which is coming towards you manifests something big for you. It might be marriages for some, and work commitments, or good health, or spiritual growth for others in the month of March 2021. They say mountain roads, you are on the road to success. So something in the something is about to happen in the second week of March 2021, which is going to let you know that you are on the road to success, and might be your destination is reached in the month of November 2021. Very, very blissful time. The second week, thoroughly enjoy this time. It's a very emotional week for you. You're opening your heart chakra. Moving on to the third week, dear friends. Okay. The energies for the third week of March 2021, commencing from 15th of March 2021 until the 21st of March 2021, we have two energy vibrations for you. One is that of the Seven of Pentacles, and another one is that of the Knight of Pentacles. So dear friends, a combination of these two cards tells me that you have been waiting from a very long time for a certain opportunity to manifest for you, and this opportunity has started moving towards you in the third week of March 2021. For many of my friends who were actually looking for some kind of a movement or travel or a residential shift, it happens for you in the third week. An opportunity of movement, travel through their work or through some kind of manifestation happens for them. For many of my friends, I feel that in the third week of March 2021, they happen to manifest a home for themselves. I feel that they were planning from a very long time and they were persevering, they were collecting some amount of money for the manifestation of their passions. And for some of my friends, I feel that one of a very passionate thing for them was to build in a home of their own or buy a flat for themselves, and that is what manifests for them from 15th until 21st 23rd of March 2021. For others of my friends, I feel that this is a time frame wherein you will be traveling, you will be going towards moving towards a destination. Either it is holidaying or you are going from your work, you are traveling to get some more work, or anyways this is a time frame you are pursuing your passion, something that you really wanted to. You have been persevering, you have been doing this thing consistently in your life, as if you have been visiting a spiritual place every 3 4 6 months, and so you are traveling to that place and you are feeling very very joyous about doing that. For some of my friends, there is a person who is Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, who can be a young person, who a passionate person who is coming towards you, with whom you wanted the manifestation of some kind of a passionate relationship. And here we say dealing or a relationship with a man. So I feel that this Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person or a Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus person can be evident during this time frame. This can be a person who is either younger in age from you, or they are very casual in nature, more of flirtatious nature, something like that. Or some kind of a work is manifesting for them, some kind of a job opportunity is manifesting for them in this third week of March 2021. Where they say danger, especially in money matters. So in this week, dear friends, you have to be very careful with your money, because I feel that some of you who are investing in properties or making some kind of an investment in traveling, or you are traveling or investing in some kind of businesses or careers or professions, be very very careful with the documentation part, be very careful. And there is a suggestion that do not have this careless attitude with your finances. You please maintain some kind of financial discipline. Then we have another card, dear friends, over here, which says broom, new home, new attitude. Yes, definitely I was sensing that there is a movement to another a new home, or there is a manifestation of home for some of my friends in this week. Might be it is a rented accommodation, might be you are purchasing your own home, or might be you are cleaning your home and so you are changing your attitude also, or might be you are bringing some pet in your home, or there is an addition, there is a childbirth happening, something of the sort, some changes in your home which are making you feel very blissful. So let us see, as you move towards the fourth week of March 2021, dear friends, your energies are that of the Four of Rods. This is a very very beautiful time frame for you, dear friends. It gets better by the day. So Four of Rods is a card of celebrations. It is a card of some kind of a ceremony happening. Either there is a literal ceremony that you are attending or you are inviting your family for in the fourth week of March. some festivity being celebrated wherein families and friends are being together. For some of my friends, they are getting an opportunity to work from home. For some of my other friends, wherever they are working, they feel like they are at home. For some of my other friends, there is some kind of you are decorating the new property that you have purchased, or there is some kind of a decoration of home and property that is happening. Some of my friends are investing in properties. Some of my friends, there is a commitment of marriage, long-term relationship happening, like a roka or an engagement happening for some of my friends. For others of my friends, I feel there is a birthday, there is a festival that you're enjoying with your family. There is a very happy gala time, manifestation of job, 11/11 moment. Your health is stabilizing, you're feeling very powerful, strong in your elements. In the last week, dear friends, we see a card which says needle and thread, a sincere wish is granted. Beautiful, dear friends. So for many of my friends, I will say again, I feel there is a manifestation of home, because I feel that you were juggling your finances, you were having patience from a very long time. You had this desire which is manifesting for you. For others of my friend, there is manifestation of a commitment in job or relationship. And for some of my friends, definitely there is a period wherein you are moving out of the negative energies of the negative people or situations that you were in, and you are moving to a new environment. And we have a card of the firecrackers and the excitement. So this could be really, literally, this is like firecrackers bursting on someone's marriage or some celebration, some kind of festival happening. Some good news is coming towards you in the last week, manifestation of a big time, because you have been able to release the negativities, blockages from your heart, and you've been able to balance your mind, body, and soul. Very, very blissful time for you people. Gets better by the day. Okay, now let's see your guidance messages. 4 of emotions, dear friends. So they say they are wonderful people who wish to help you. So if there is a help coming from somebody, if there are messages of help coming from somebody, take those help. Take help from people who are coming towards you. Can be a far off friend also. There are wonderful people who wish to help you. Opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. Yes, I feel in the first week itself there are opportunities coming towards you, but you are not taking a step ahead. You are not, neither are you moving forward nor are you moving backwards. You are just, in an indecisive state right in the beginning of the month, and universe is sending you many opportunities. So they are saying opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. Look around you. Daydreaming or going within is a healthy way to get clarity. So yeah, daydreaming and going within. So I feel with the practices of yoga and meditation, you can connect to your higher self, to your divine, and you will get the clarity on the situations which are vague to you. And listen to your intuition. In the first week you are being guided, so listen to your intuition. As long as you act upon your dream, so you've got to make a decision, you've got to act upon your dream, whatever they are. And there are many opportunities coming towards you right from the beginning of the week. Pride. So yes, I feel that this is a month of manifestation for many of my friends, wherein either you are becoming a spiritual healer, or you are manifesting love and marriage in your life. For some of my friends, there is an opportunity of travel, a job, career manifestations. For others, there is an opportunity of a material manifestation in the form of home, new home. And so what the universe says over here with the pride card is that it is a time for you to feel proud of your achievements, definitely, but do not let pride get over your head. So be careful of your ego also in this month. Just be proud of your achievements, because you have, whatever you have achieved, you have been persevering through, you have put a lot of hard work. But be very careful when you are speaking to people around you, that your ego and pride should not get over your achievements. Abundant mindset. Yes, dear friends, I feel the law of attraction has helped you manifest this abundance into your life. And you've got to keep this kind of mindset where they say, if you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. So you have to feel that, I am abundant, I am in a capacity to buy a new home, I am in a capacity to start a new business, I am in a capacity, and just take that first step and make that investment. And then you will see how it blissfully turns around for you. So you've got to have this abundant mindset. If you always in the mindset of scarcity and lack, you won't be able to manifest big things for you, because universe is always sending opportunities towards you. Okay, so they say, if you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. See, feel, think, and speak of abundance as something you already have in the present moment, and that is what you will experience. Exactly, this is what you're going to experience. I feel that you have made, or either you have already made, or you're going to make a very quick investment in some kind of a property or some kind of a business, and might be you are juggling finances also for that. But the universe is saying that you are going to manifest abundance only by having an abundant mindset. The moment you start to feel scarce, the moment you start to live with scarcity, you are going to lose all the abundance that is coming towards you. It is what you vibrate through your body is what is going to come towards you. The thinking man. So definitely a man is there is a man who is very, very important for you in this month. I feel that this thinking man has an offer. For some people, he has an offer of money manifestation. For others, he's a very wise man who has an offer of relationship manifestation. Also, it can be you yourself who is thinking of the various options that you have, and it's possible that this person has a crystal in his hand. So it is possible that you're taking healings via crystals, and these crystals are healing and opening your chakras. There is a man who is very evident, who is going to change your destiny in the month of March 2021, or there is a man whose destiny is about to change in the month of March 2021, and this boy is very, very dear to you. So number 14, balance, Archangel Zadkiel, and the message says, the need for balance and moderation, cooperation and compromise, wait for perfect timing. Yes, that's exactly what the Hangman and the Two of Pentacles card says, that this is a time of temperance, this is a time of moderation, balance, compromise, and things are going to manifest you. They've started manifesting already, and by the month of November, I feel you will be very much way ahead in your investments, or in your whatever you have started investing into is going to manifest you big time in the month of November 2021. It's a month of March 2021 is a month of enlightenment, and if you will see in this card, there is a lot of blessing coming to you from your ancestors, from your deceased loved ones in heaven, and angels and archangels. So it is a month of enlightenment for many of my friends, wherein I feel that some of you can become a spiritual healer who are enlightening other people around you, or else it is a period wherein your solar plexus chakra heals, and where in the places where you ever felt lack in your life, you gain respect, self-confidence and self-love, and you feel proud of yourself in the month of March 2021. So The King of Keys, definitely, dear friends, there is an opportunity of money manifestation that is coming towards you from this King of Keys. This person tells me that there will be, again, I feel that manifestation of a new home or a new job or a career for some people, and for some other people this person can represent a very very committed relationship manifesting in their life. Take your time making this decision. Yes, dear friends, in the first week there is going to be some kind of a communication coming towards you, and Archangel Michael is telling you if there is a decision that you need to make regarding a certain situation. He's saying that there is no hurry. The person who has approached you, or the property that you're seeking for, or any job that you're seeking for, is business opportunity, is not going to run away from you. So you can think properly, take guidance from enlightened people, and take your time in making this final decision of commitment. Angels of the four directions. Yes, dear friends, angels of four directions are with you, blessing you throughout the month of March. Definitely, many of you, I feel, are spiritual healers who are getting these divine blessings. Especially, I'd like to mention here that Archangel Michael and Archangel Gabriel are very much with you in the month of March 2021. Archangel Michael is manifesting material benefits into your life, and Archangel Gabriel is giving you the strength and courage to speak your truth towards the people, communities with love and warmth. It's a very, very beautiful, blissful period of calm, peace, love, and harmony for you. I wish you all the best. Whoever chose pile number 2, I wish you all the best. And pile number 2, if you resonate with this reading, please give a comment in the comment box below, and please like our video, share our video, subscribe to our channel, and I request you to come back again every week in the month of March 2021 to check your weekly readings in this video itself, because there is guidance which is running throughout the week, throughout the month, and every time that you will be coming back to this reading, you will see some other different guidance message coming towards you. So, dear friends, when you comment on the videos and like, share, subscribe to our channel, you encourage us, motivate us also. So I'm hoping to hear from you. Lots of love and best wishes to all of my friends who chose pile number 2. Wishing you all the best. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in March 2021. Moving on to my pile number 3. This is pile number 3, and everyone who chose pile number 3 for the month of March 2021. Now we are going to see the guidance messages for the whole of March 2021 for all of my friends who happen to choose pile number 3. The first thing which I feel from the card which is placed here is that you have spirit birds as your guardian angels around you. If you would feed a bird during the month of March 2021, you would be able to clear your karmas from past many lives. Okay. Let's see. Your first card for the month of March 2021 as the overall energy, dear friends, is the card of the 4 of Pentacles. Alongside, dear friends, we have the card of the Queen of Swords in reverse. Dear friends, there are many messages coming towards me with the combination of these 2 cards. First of all, I feel for most of my friends, this is a month wherein you have to hold tightly to your finances, to your relationships, to your dear ones, to your property, to your investments. Be pragmatic in your approach. Do not keep, uh, just do not have a casual attitude towards your finances, because in the month of March 2021, I feel that many of you will manifest a new home or a flat or a property for yourself. A lot of stability is coming towards you in the month of March 2021, just as I feel you will release the blockages that you are holding so tight onto your body, mind and soul. You are being guided to do some form of charity, not overly doing that, but might be if you feed crows, birds, cows, poor children, you are going to benefit in the month of March 2021. For some of my friends, offers of very good job upgrade, business upgrades, profession upgrades can happen for you. All in all, I see that you are going to be very safe and secure in the month of March 2021. Queen of Swords, to me, I feel that there is a person around you who is very negative. This can be a woman, representing a woman who has a very sharp mind, but this person is using their sharp mind in a very, very negative, some people say that in a very bitchy manner. This is a person who can be very much affected by your stability, your security, and by your progress in life. Now, this person either can be your frenemy. Frenemy is somebody who pretends to be a friend but is your enemy in reality. This person can be in your own family, or this can be your friend, or this can be your colleague in your work environment. Be very, very careful of this negative mindset person who can bring your energies down. You need to especially take our healings of protecting you from negative people, places and situations throughout the month of March 2021 to protect you from this person who is very negative, who is manipulative, who is trying all their best to pray for destruction in your life. Dear friends, I am normally never speaking such negative things, but I sense this kind of an energy from this person who is around you, and you absolutely need to cut your cord from this person. This person is a narcissist. This person is somebody who has never ever thought of a good interest for you. This person was always jealous of you. This person, they are not happy with their own success. They are somebody who are very jealous and who are happy when you lose something in your life. So this person wants to take something from you, either your energy or your property, your money, your relationships, and wants you to feel less in your life. And you need to protect yourself in the month of March 2021 from this person. For a few of my friends, if it is the energy, it is your own energy that you are being like a person, like this bitchy person who is very, very possessive about relationships, who is very greedy about money also. Be careful. Work on your energies. Cleanse your energies, start to vibrate high, take healings, Come out of your negative mindset. For a few of my friends who were going through some kind of a health issue in their body, which was connected with their mind, like an ailment or a disease like bipolar disease or schizophrenia or depression, this kind of my friends are, I feel, can go under some kind of an operation, or might be they are taking healings from our YouTube channel, and they happen to heal themselves and gain very good health in the month of March 2021. Let us move forward, dear friends. This person around you with this negative energies can be a Leo, Gemini, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Box, you will receive a gift. Beautiful, dear friends. Yes, definitely. I felt so that it is a month of a lot of stability, security for you. For many of my friends, I feel a property manifestation is coming towards you. Some of my friends might get a gift of some kind of a jewelry, some material benefit, car, or some kind of a material gift is coming towards you. It can be a gift of health also, emotional balancing also for some of my friends. Then they say ladder, climbing towards success. Beautiful, dear friends. I feel you are climbing towards success in the month of March 2020. A lot of stability, security, safety is coming towards you, and that is the reason there are some people who are so negative, who are feeling so jealous of you. Then they say bird flying news is on the way. So there is a good news of an opportunity manifesting for you in the month of March 2021. It is a very blissful period for you, wherein I feel your root chakra has healed. You are grounded now, and so you're being able to manifest these opportunities for yourself in the month of March 2021. So beginning from the first week of March 2021, your energies from 1st of March 2021 until the 7th of March 2021 are that of the Three of Swords, dear friends. Three of Swords is your energy for the first week of March 2021, and Three of Swords as an energy tells me that it is a time frame wherein you are going to have a heartbreak. You are going to go through some kind of a heartbreak. Either for some of my friends, it is a period wherein actually some of my friends have to go under knife for some kind of a heart surgery or some kind of a health issue. For some of my other friends, there can be some loss in the family which gives you this heartbreak. For some of my friends, I feel that it is the dealing of with this woman only which makes you feel heartbroken just in the beginning of the week. Somebody who backstabs you, who betrays you, somebody who cheats on you, who breaks your heart. Some such kind of a situation is going to happen in the first week of March itself. I also feel, dear friends, that if some of you were taking heart chakra healings, you might be releasing these pains that were there in your heart chakra in the first week. So it is possible that you are taking these healings and releasing all that was there, wherein they say cracked cup, dissatisfaction with life. So if there were things which were causing you dissatisfaction in your life, might be you release these situations, these people, by taking some kind of a healing in the first week of March 2021 for your heart chakra. Then they say feather, someone you know is undependable and insecure. Yes, this woman, the one I am telling you as an overall in your overall energy only, this person is becoming very, very evident, and this person is a person who is insecure and undependable person. So might be this is a person you never expected could be such kind, but they are very jealous. Either they bitch around about you behind your back, or they did something which you never thought they would be doing. And over here they say dark woman, dear friends, a more clarity has come on this person. They say dark woman, dealing or relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. So either this person is a person who has dark hair, might be they color their hair in very dark colors. You will be knowing it well who this person is, or this is a woman who is on the darker side of complexion. And this in the first week there is going to be a dealing with this woman, and while having a dealing with this person you are going to feel very dissatisfied in your life. And this is a person who is undependable and insecure. So this is a person who is suffering from some kind of a mental disorder, who is causing a lot of negativity in your life, and you need to absolutely cut cords from this person, heal yourself from this person. Okay, in the first week itself, this woman, this lady, this girl becomes evident. So anyways, dear friends, there is a guidance message for you to heal yourself. And the best part is, if you keep taking our healings, cutting your cords from negative people, places and situations, you would be easily able to cut yourself from this negative person. So let us move on to the second week, dear friends. Your energies for the second week, the week that commences from 7th of March, moving on into 14th of March 2021, your energies are blissful, beautiful. These are the energies of the Nine of Pentacles. And if you look at this woman, keeping the gender aside, you can be a male also. This woman is enjoying in her garden with lot of this, dressed up very well. This woman feels financially independent. This woman is thoroughly enjoying the luxuries of life. And your energies in this week, I feel that you have healed your heart chakra in the first week, and in the second week I feel I sense you feeling very blissful with your pets in your garden, with your flowers. And I feel that it can be a time that you go shopping for yourself. It is also possible that during this time frame you manifest some kind of a property for yourself, or some kind of a financial benefit comes to you. Either you're setting up your own business or a profession for yourself, or generally the energies are such you are feeling very, very independent financially also, and independent in your decisions also. So they say period of prosperity and abundance. Yes, dear friends, great period of prosperity and abundance. You are feeling very, very abundant, happy and whole in yourself, and you feel that you don't need anybody else in your life to complete you. If there was a scenario wherein you were clinging on to your relationships, now you feel very abundant and satisfied. You've started giving yourself love, and you are detaching yourself from negative people who are giving this chaotic time and problems in your life. You have finally decided to cut your cords with them. Then they say dolphin, financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. So you have done some good karma in past, dear friends, as a result of which some financial manifestation opportunity is going to come towards you in the second week of March 2021. It's a very, very blissful time frame. Some of you can get this gift from the divine, from your friends and family members in the second week of March 2021. Some of you can be gifted a property by your husband, or might be jewelry or some kind of a financial benefit, or you are taking some kind of root chakra healings. You are feeling blissful in your home, your property. Even if it is a rented property, you are just being in the in the energies of gratitude. You're so thankful to God, universe, holy spirits, for the nature, for the abundance in the nature, for the food that you're eating, for the good health that you have. You are feeling blissful in the second week. Enjoy yourself well. So moving on to the third week, dear friends. In the third week, dear friends, the week that is commencing from 15th of March 2021 moving into 21st, 22nd, 23rd of March 2021, I feel that there is going to be a lot of communications. There can be there is some kind of documentation happening in this week. Now this documentation can be with regard to the manifestation of your desired home or a flat, or this documentation or communication is with regard to the travel. Might be you are holidaying with your family, traveling to another place in the third week of March 2021, enjoying having a soulful gala time with your family. Or this can be a documentation of some kind of property manifestation, I feel, for, or some kind of a job that is manifesting for you, or a movement like might be visas if you are planning to travel to another country or a state, or there is a blissful opportunity which has come to you for moving to another country or a state which you always wish to. This is some such kind of a communication. For some of my other friends, this can be an actual documentation, manifestation of your married life. For some of my friends, there is a childbirth happening or a school admission for a child which you always wished. For some of my friends, there is a healing coming in relationships in the third week. It's a very, very blissful time. All that was stagnant in your life has started moving in the third week of March 2021. For most of you, I feel you are traveling to a place either for holidays or meeting up with your family, having some good time, drinking with your friends and family, enjoying yourself thoroughly well. So some kind of a document is going to be evident. So let's see. Carriage, a journey, either physical or mental. Yes, I was feeling that there is a journey. Some of you literally are having a planning or are going for a journey, or some of your other for my other friends who are spiritual in nature, I feel that they are doing some kind of documentation to give their healing services in a certain place wherein they meet their soul family. Then over here they say sunrise, creative ideas, new ventures and fresh start. Beautiful, dear friends. Third week. In the second week itself, you started feeling very blissful in your own energies, and moving on to the third week, now you are expanding towards your family, friends and community, opening your heart, which is now healed, towards like-minded people. You are cutting your cords with these negative people and manifesting your relationships, movements with like-minded people. You are having a very, very beautiful time in the third week of March 2021, dear friends. Moving on to the fourth week of March 2021, dear friends, it gets even better. What more could you have asked for? Your heart chakra is absolutely healed now, and so you're being able to manifest many new opportunities of love, passion, work, career coming towards you. Soulmate connections, soul families are coming towards you. So, dear friends, in the last week, the week that commenced from 21st or 23rd of March 2021 towards the end of March, 31st of March 2021, I see you offering your cup of love to like-minded soulmate. There are two new offers that are coming towards you, or you're manifesting two new offers. One is with regard to your work and passion, and another one is with regard to your soul family, soulmate partnerships. So these offers, for some of my friends, definitely one of the offers is to move to another country or a state. It involves travel. Another offer is definitely for some of my friends who are looking for a soulmate connections, who had this narcissist person around them with whom they cut their cords. Now they are able to manifest this new opportunity, new connection with. So the person who is coming towards you with this offer, if you were looking for love for life, is very, very passionate. This offer, they have all their soul to offer you. Their mind, body and soul, all is yours, is what the spirit tells me. This is your soulmate connection manifesting. For your jobs, careers and businesses also, now those offers are going to come towards you, which are going to be a match to your vibrations. You're going to be able to manifest working with the team of people who are like-minded as you. You're going to be very passionate with the new projects, and you're going to work towards these projects with your heart and soul. For many of my friends, divine connections are coming. You're opening your crown chakra, and universal love is moving towards you in the 4th week. It gets better by the week. Just the first week, I feel that there is going to be the release of these negative energies around you, and from the 2nd week on, you start to gain your energies, just as you cut your cords from these people and understand that they mean nothing in your life without your consent. You start to move on to these new energies which are blissful for you. Then over here, dear friends, there is a card which says someone going out of your life or end of a situation. Yes, dear friends, there can be a situation in the first week itself, and this person who was negative might be, when you get these offers, new offers, you decide to move away from this negative person, and this person is finally moving out of your life, or this situation which was negative is ending in your life. Then we have a month of September evident over here. Might be the month of September 2021, wherein you start this relationship or this work or career. The manifestation into a commitment happens in the month of September 2021 for some of you. And another card, dear friends, over here, they say angels, spiritual guidance, protection from harm. So yes, so angels have stepped in now to protect you from the narcissist people in your life, the negative woman, the negative people who were around you. So this is also a period of a lot of spiritual awakening happening for you. In the 4th week, I feel some of you can visit some kind of a spiritual place also, wherein you get the blessings from divine. And in the month of March 2021, dear friends, expect a miracle. So for some of my friends, I can say if they were literally going through some kind of a health problem, and here we see some problem with their mind. Yes, some issues might be paralysis, might be bipolar disorders, schizophrenia, or some kind of, motor xenon, some kind of neuromotor, some kind of a problem like that. I feel that divine healing is coming towards them. Might be they were taking some kind of healings from my YouTube channel or from some healer, and you can expect a miraculous change in your health or the health of the person who was taking these healings. For some of my friends who will actually undergo some kind of a surgery or an health issue, there will be a miraculous change in your health. So the card is from Healing Angel Archangel Raphael. And for some of my friends, if you are a healer yourself, pranic healer or a Reiki healer, I feel that while you will be giving healings to the people around you or taking healings on your own body, you are going to see miraculous change in your energy as well. You will be able to heal and give miraculous change into the energies of the people around you. So they say, Dear God and Archangel Raphael, thank you for your miraculous intervention and healing energy, which has restored the health of name of the person, whoever person you want to name. So expect a miraculous change in your life with regard to health, I feel, in the month of March 2021, dear friends. And there's another card which says 3 of Fire. So it's a month of abundance, as we saw with the card of 4 of Pentacles. The card says abundance. Things look very good. Have patience at this time. Make long-term plans. Yes, long-term plans. Be pragmatic with your approach. Do not, just keep throwing money with your hands. Now is the time to, be do some kind of planning and keep some money aside, because over here we have the card of a new home. Beautiful. Yes, dear friends, I felt for many of you that a new home is manifesting for you in the month of March 2021. So they say moving is a step in a right direction for you. For some of my friends, I feel that they can move from a joint family scenario, become independent, and move to a new home. For some of my friends, this is a literal move to a new home, might be to purchase a property. For some of my other friends, you are decorating your home, growing flowers, extending your home, doing some kind of constructions in your homes. And some of my other friends, I feel that they are making an office in their home, might be they are manifesting an opportunity to do a profession from their home. And some kind of a documentation with regard to home manifestation can also happen, or some traveling plans with regard to home. Time out, dear friends. And this is card number 37, which tells me Wheel of Fortune, and 10 is here. I feel that this the month of March, you need to give time to yourself. Go to the parlors, take some massaging, go for some kind of holidays with your friends and family. You need to give time to yourself. You need to rejuvenate your energies. Enjoy yourself before you move into this new home. They say your hard work is paying off. Beautiful, dear friends, your hard work is paying out in the month of March. I feel that you need to take some time out and relax your energies. True love is manifesting for many of my friends in the month of March, because you are working on your shadow sides. You're doing the mirror work. You have cleansed all the negativities inside of you. You've cut the cord from the negative people, places, and situation in your life. You have taken a lot of healing, and now you're opening your heart, your sacral chakra, your root chakra, and manifesting true divine connections, true love for yourself in the month of March 2021. Very, very blissful time for you. Yes, dear friends, another card which says pay yourself first, because card of 4 of Pentacles initially told me that yes, you have been very easy with your finances. You have been giving a lot, but now is the time that you become a bit more conservative, because you have to invest for properties, you have to invest for yourself. So they say pay yourself first. They say make yourself your most important financial obligation by setting aside a portion of your income every time you are paid. This loving form of self-care ensures that you will have savings to invest in your present and your future. Yes, dear friends, so make it a point that whenever you get your salaries, you get your business payments, you keep a certain amount aside for yourself, also for your present or future. And also this indicates that you are not investing on yourself. It's also possible that you are just throwing away money on your friends and family members around, and a huge amount you are losing like this only. And here the guidance from the universe says that you need to first keep a certain amount for yourself, pay attention to yourself, educate yourself with this money, upgrade yourself with this money, and then only when you are happy with your own investments, then you can share with others also. 4 of Roses, Views of Egos. This card, dear friends, I feel that there is an egoistic person. Definitely this dark complexion woman or dark hair woman is egoistic, and so you are going to have some kind of ego clashes with this person in the first week of March. But I suggest that you operate from your heart chakra and let these egoistic people deal with their own problems. Healer of emotions. Yes, dear friends, you are a healer of emotions, or might be some kind of healing comes to you from a healer of emotion who helps you release these blockages from your heart chakra. So it is possible that I turn out to be your healer if you take these healing sessions from my YouTube channel. For your heart chakra healing, you happen to release your blocked emotions. So they say this is a time to follow your heart and feel the fullness of your emotions. You may feel so compelled to nurture others that you forget to care for yourself. Yes, this is another card which tells me time out, pay attention to yourself. There is a woman, there is a person around you who is a taker only, who is a narcissist, who will take away all your energy, your money, your everything. This woman is not a giver at all. So they are saying, "Ah, but you are such a nurturing person, you are such a giver by nature that you just give out of your energy and then you drain yourself." So what they are saying, you may feel so compelled to nurture others that you forget to care for yourself. Flashes of intuitions provide you with incredible insights. You or another person is kind, tender hearted, loving, and trustworthy friend. So there can be a trustworthy friend around you who provides you some kind of healing. This person is very nurturing by nature. And if you are one person who is of this kind of nature, you are being guided to first take care of yourself, fill your cup with love, and then only offer to others. Surrender to receiving support and love. Yes, dear friends, beautiful. There are people around you who are willing to give you support and love, and you surrender, open your heart towards this kind of soul family and connections. So they say, allow the love and support of others in rather than trying to handle everything yourself. This can take the pressure off and simultaneously nurture you. Beautiful, 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 dear friends. So in the month of March 2021, you are suggested to surrender to receiving support and love. I feel that you people have gone through so much in life that you have become so independent by now that you feel that we are complete within ourselves. We don't need our partners, we don't need our family, we don't need anyone to take care of us. But in the month of March, the divine is saying that you open your heart towards this like-minded people, these soul families who want to help you, who want to be by your side. But and last but not the least, dear friends, a blessing for good work. So what blessing is going to come to you in the month of March 2021? Finally, dear friends, for some new home and for some a blessing for good work. I feel that you have been doing a lot of work. It can be in your home area as well, it can be in your work area, and the divine is going to bless you. The divine is going to gift you something as a reward of your hard work that you were putting in the month of March 2021, dear friends. A blessing on your good work is coming from the divine, and your hard work is going to pay off. I wish you all the best, dear friends. Everyone who chose pile number 3, one, I feel that you are a very strong pile. You're very, very already, healed to a certain level. You are awakened kind of tribe. And in the month of March 2021, the only suggestion for you is finally come out of the grip of these devilish people, negative people, toxic people whom you have been working for, but they are never going to pay you back for your services. Okay, so I wish you all the best, everyone who chose pile number 3. And pile number 3, if you resonate with this reading, I request you to give a comment down in the comment box below, as well like our videos, share our videos, subscribe to our channel if you like how we do our readings, and if you resonate with our readings as well. I'd suggest that you come back every week in the month of March to have a glance on this reading, so that there are messages for week. If you happen to see it only once, you might miss the messages. You might not remember the messages that are there for each week. And if you come back every week onto this reading, which I normally do share again and again on my Healing Souls Facebook page, then you can get divine guidance every week for every week of March 2021. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to all my friends on Healing Souls.